that is perfect. Oh, you almost had it. You did a front flip! Oh, you almost landed it! Oh my gosh, those tires are... look at the camera. Oh, land it. Oh, it did. It landed. Oh, roll it. Keep it going. Beautiful. Oh, you almost had it. Oh. Perfect. Oh. Perfect. Good job, man. I mean, that was completely flat. Oh, did it do it? Oh. Oh, you almost had that. Oh my gosh. So close, man. Oh, I landed it in the thing. Come on! Oh, I'm missing parts. This is the first time at a skate park with our 980 kV motor. Oh, guys, I don't know. It's going to be interesting. We'll just have to see what happens here. Oh, it's so big. Oh, that sounded bad. Oh, drive shaft. Oh, that was not what I meant to do at all. Oh man, and that ends the day. So unusually, it looks like there's no solder on this wire, but it came out of this plug. Honestly, this is not something that I soldered. This is as I purchased this ESC used, and this was on here when I bought it. But dang man, look at that. So it's gonna cut our day short. The whole ESC has been pushed forward a little bit. It's knocked the battery mounts out, but we are down a wire and I don't have soldering on me. So so a shorter bash day for the Xmaxx. It's really too bad. This thing was really fun. We're gonna have to get that wire soldered back up. We're gonna have to do this again. It's been too long. So thank you guys for watching. I really hope this was fun for as long as it lasted. We will see you guys next time. Please stay subscribed and we will talk to you next time. Goodbye. Thank you.